Claire, I love you. You are my best friend. I look forward to growing with you and falling in love with you a little more each day as we take on this new adventure together. I promise to always stand by your side and to never stop encouraging or supporting you in achieving your dreams. I look forward to seeing all the great things we will achieve together. I promise to always respect you, trust you, stay with you, and remain faithful to you, regardless of what lies before us. I promise to be kind and forgiving. Thank you for loving me unconditionally. I promise to do the same. I choose you as the person with whom I'll spend the rest of my life with. I promise to always work by your side as we continue creating this incredible life together.
Tyler, I know you think we met your freshman year in a car, but I remember meeting you my senior year at your house. You clearly noticed me first, but ever since I've noticed you, you're all I've ever wanted. You are the most selfless, kind, caring, and lovable man I have ever met. You have given me everything I've ever wanted and needed, as well as supported me at every step in my life. I thank you for the continuous support and making me feel so loved even when undeserving. Most importantly, thank you for making me better than I am before, and I thank God every day that I get to call myself yours. Tyler Shans Pennington, I vow to express my love for you for the rest of our days together, to love you unconditionally, and to never take our union as husband and wife for granted. I will love you for always and forever.
So Claire and I are 9 years apart, so we kind of grew up separately. When I was little, I desperately wanted a little sister, a baby sister. I prayed and I prayed and I prayed for her, and then she came. And Claire was a hard baby and a hard toddler and a hard kid. And thank the Lord I left the house before she became a teenager. Claire and I certainly had our ups and downs. She thinks I'm too sensitive. I think she's too loud. I think she's too brash sometimes. She thinks I'm too timid. And I may even remember a hair pulling session or two when we were definitely way too old to be doing something like that. We're very different people, and we've had our frustrations with each other. But no matter what we go through, I would never take back those prayers I had when I was a little girl. The older we get, the more I feel us coming together. I've learned so much from you. You're bold and you're confident and you don't care what anybody thinks about you, and you're loyal. And I'm thankful for how I know that no matter what, we have each other's backs. You are my one and only sister, and the person I would go through fire for. I couldn't be happier to watch you get married today, and I know the man that you chose is going to take such good care of you.
Tyler, thank you for being such a stable force in my life, a great friend, and an even better brother. We've had such great times and memories together that I'll never forget. Claire, officially welcome to the family. Tonight we celebrate you. Make sure to show your appreciation for each other and never stop going the extra mile. We all wish you a lifetime of happiness, love, health, and success. Cheers, everyone.